Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome my another tutorial on my YouTube channel. Hello Mr. Rex. I hope you are doing fine. You are doing fine now that on this Reactjs English tutorial, yeah, introduction and first environment setup. After that, your first component are one of the most concept of React. They are the foundation upon which user interface UI, which makes them the perfect place to start here. What is component is what role component play in React application. React application component is a very fast, efficient. So we can use reusability for code efficiency. We can reduce the code and visibility result. That's the very key thing. And we build my first component on your project. So let's start it. Open to the VS Code. There is my VS Code setup. After the first installation project is done, here you see there is a error. Second, just copy. I think that will be not worrying you guys. Just copy paste it. You can also reduce that, no problem. There is a problem. Reduce the depth of this real time. No problem. We can also fix that. There is error. So first we create a component. That component name is card dot agx gsx card gsx. So first we to create the card gsx. So first we create a function card. Then I have to call return and this return we create a div class div div that and the class name class name equal to card pics card pics and I first create a image. No, that's the not seeing image position open tag and we're going to st tag for name the channel name learn with Sakib name. We based on my YouTube channel going to create this. Now I have to create a paragraph tab, right click and write it down. I make a videos wisdom software engineering file. So we get it down app.js. You just created that template for calling card.js. Page reload. So after that, this card is written is create. So we're going to app.js p first open another list. We then create a list website maintenance website maintenance quality assuring applications UX design UI UX design. So we first go to the site. Sorry, because so guys there is a nothing to show in the web page because that is an important thing because we cannot re-render in app.js. When you re-render it, that's The function called that reactjs. Here is the all function redirect and call. That's why you have to call by import. Import form. That's why when it's blank. Import card dot import card import card from import card from dot card, sorry, there is slash card dot ggx. Import card from dot card ggx. Functional return type, and this is the div. So first we have to kind of write it down, then just write it down card, sorry, write it down card. And we find, then we have to refresh it. There is a mistake, so to figure it out, what is the mistake? Card AGX, AGX, app.gx with function app. Function cut, oh sorry, there was a mistake. Export default app. There is again mistake. What was saying? Input app from and there will be function card app.gx card.js. There is a function card and return reference card. So there is very long function app. Because what to call it? We have to call it over the same function card. Amount of name. Function card return is perfect. Function and score export default card. Function card return. But what is the problem? Return div image. Okay, but oh, there is a mistake. There's an asset folder. Sorry, sorry. They cannot just copy and cut and also delete. There's a my mistake. Sorry, that file under the search. Sorry, sorry. car.gsx. Then I have to paste it here. Then I have to go to the website. See what is the mistake. Lower. I choose C6. Import card from import card from dot app card dot gsx. Maybe to very verifying that Reactjs import card from Reactjs function app return jump card. So what is the problem, guys? So guys, after that coming from, we can solve the problem. Now we have to create the website that I am wanting. So that's fine. That's working correctly. So I have to create an image file. So after creating the image function, HTML CSS image source file upload, that will be okay. But now the time you cannot just source the file. There is another call function to another asset function. You have to just put in the file and asset an image, so that you have to call that here. So this is the thing mainly I am doing in this video. So just like import profile pic, import profile pic from assets profile gpg profile, import profile from assets, say import profile dot gpg. So after that, to create a source, There is a slightly difference. So it's got second bracket. There is a no comma. That's the name of the file. File pic. Did you see? So go to the function. Yes. We see the picture that is working correctly. There's a fine. So after we also styling the CSS. That's why we have the name, card image, perfect. Card pics, card image, first name, to class name, ULIT, just copy paste here every name. So we can modify that every single name. But I tell you guys why the same name I have to modify. It is it's a CSS. And the CSS like the card iPhone, integer CSS, cardboard CSS, and now we can create the CSS. First, we need to create a background. We have to create a background for that. The main thing around the name is Cartpix. But who is Cartpix? Just copy uh, its border box, border box. Then it's solid. So it was HTML. Zero, zero question, zero, not getting the 80% border box. Sorry, border perfect. So I put it up high, now even border, see the border, image, border radius, 10 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, box shadow, box shadow going to 5 pixel, 5 pixel, and going to 5 pixel, and back. HTML 000.1, 0%, 0%, 0.1. And that should be fine. And I want to see what and also padding to the pixel. 20%, margin 10%, perfect, takes around center, match with use 6 pixel, display inline block, display going to inline block, so this is the picture. Then go to the introduce control for starting copy, dot card, dot, dot, margin, match with 60%. But there is nothing to see. Border one clicks solid. Another 1 second. Border box, border one pixel with argument. HTML border 10 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, box shadow. Though there is a creating border box that you want to find. So to create a white is not. There's another visible. So there is a visible, there is a cut showing, there is a identify under list. Everything was perfect. So if to color that, so you have to just mention that. So another thing, reusability, that is the important thing show. So I have to just copy, paste here, see the function. Function. So there is error because on the return function we have created one card. So different node card. But in this deep section we created many different function. So there is no way on the diff so different component, but no diff identify one component. That's the error. Now we can see there is a two deep card. See, there is a two deep card, one after another. They are also responsive. There's a React's very popular. So use React.js is very popular. They're automatically responsive. On this div, they allow the card, but so there is a no div, so there is a code card, but after the card, you also doing that also be okay. I see that there is another card and just put it here is okay. See, just put it here. It's okay. There's the React.js called functionality, reusability code, the reduce of code, the efficiency of results. That's the main things. So I'm going to redesign in this CSL. So I have to type Ajax. So I have to redirect with the fun of card picks. And this will fix. We need to coloring. First we need to call card picks. Then we have to call that function color to brown. What is the problem? See the this is a color bold font width font size large pixel font bold 80%, 45%. 94%. No. Answer. 95%. So let's see there with the final touch we can see there is a final touch to create that function so many one. This is the main thing. So you cover component, React reusabilities, how to design indexes, how to call and how to component use. That's the video's key term. So let's finish this. See you next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.